Today I'm working on my old Ranger bass boat, and I'm going to change some of the weather stripping seals on the cargo areas on these bass boats. When you're running them, it's common to get a lot of water up here on the deck with waves and such. And these weather seals help keep your stored items dry. Of course, I've got some tears as the weather stripping has worn, and for a 35-year-old bass boat, it's time to change it out. So I ordered this weather stripping seal. It's got a 3/8 bulb seal on it, similar to the factory installed. I did order it on Amazon, and so now I'm going to get started changing it out. So the first step is just to simply pull off the old seal. It just sets down on the cargo area, so you just kind of got to pull it off. It does have some little bit of weather strip adhesive there holding it on. And so we'll get that out of the way. Start with the new roll, and it's kind of got some metal in here, and you just kind of push it down on the lip, and it's got a little keeper there that kind of locks it into place. It does take quite a bit of effort. You kind of just have to hold and push. There's actually metal in there that you have to expand out over the lip to get it to fit. But once you have it on there, be a good tight fit. Now I just need to cut the seal to length. And I just want to go around the edge and check it, make sure it's all shoved down evenly. And again, then there's going to be a new seal, and this is going to seal up against the top of the door to help prevent any water from coming in when it runs over the top of the boat. That way it keeps all the items in there nice and dry.